Hi, I'm Mohit Goel, CEO of Max Limited. I'm here to share something with you guys. Generally, this has never happened before. I don't think it has happened in our industry before. I'm here to talk something good about my competitor. I'm here to talk something great about some other brand and not Omax Limited. So I'm talking about this developer called Gulshans. They are developing a project called Dynasty in Sector 144, Noida. Omax was a pioneer in creating a great luxury project called The Forest in Sector 92. And this I'm talking to you in the year of almost 2006, 2007. That was the time when probably you did not even know what luxury was. That was truly the first luxury project of North India. That was the first project when the sample flat was made. Now sample flat is a normal, usual thing. So, and I have this habit, I keep visiting my competitors, their projects and what they've created there and the kind of sample flats and the experience they give. And they do not know I'm there. So this time around again, this happened and I visited as they were doing something beautiful there. And in Noida, I do not have any projects presently. So as such, they're not my competitors. So I can easily say they are making something which is not done before. I can easily say they are redefining luxury. Probably what we started and ended in 2007 and say 2013 after we delivered our second project, Forest Spa. Since then, we've not been there and we've not probably taken our standards above the standard where we left in 2013. Now, this is the project which is kind of raising the bar. This is the project where I kind of see that, they've done something better than us. So, kudos to the people who are doing it. Kudos to my friend Yukti, Gulshan uncle. They're doing a great job. Just wanted to share all this with you on a very good note and good spirit. And कोई शर्म की बात नहीं है कि मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में हूँ और आज ओमैक्स के बारे में तारीफ नहीं कर रहा हूँ या ओमैक्स के बारे में मैं आपसे बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, अपने किसी दोस्त की कंपनी के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. That's it. Thank you.